Top 5 largest waterfalls in the USA. 1. Yosemite Falls, California, 2,425 feet, 739 meters, the tallest waterfall in North America. Located in Yosemite National Park, famous for its breathtaking views. 2. Colonial Creek Falls, Washington, 2,568 feet, 783 meters, the highest waterfall in the US by total height. Found in North Cascades National Park, fed by glacial meltwater. 3. Olauepena Falls, Hawaii, 2,953 feet, 900 meters, the tallest waterfall in the US, seasonal. Located on Molokai Island, only visible from the ocean or air. 4. Shoshone Falls, Idaho, 212 feet, 65 meters, known as the Niagara of the West, taller than Niagara Falls and located on the Snake River. 5. Niagara Falls, New York, 167 feet, 51 meters, one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. A massive tourist attraction, shared with Canada.